How to connect Payoneer to Printify. Follow my instructions. If you sell with Printify, you'll need a payout method to receive your earnings. One of the easiest ways is to connect your Payoneer account directly. Here's how to set it up. Log into your Printify account on the website, go to the top menu and click on Finances or Payout Settings. Select Add Payment Method and choose Payoneer. You'll be redirected to the official Payoneer login page. Enter your Payoneer email and password and approve the connection. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free on the same page. Once connected, Printify will confirm that your Payoneer account is linked. This means your store earnings can now be paid directly to Payoneer payments, usually arrive in a few business days after being released by Printify. From Payoneer, you can withdraw funds to your local bank account or use the Payoneer card to spend your money directly. It's a flexible way to get paid if you're selling globally. And that's it. You've connected Payoneer to Printify successfully. Thanks for watching.